I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. I'm confident that this is the best inexpensive date night idea ever. And not only just a date night, but a routine that really helps you connect with your partner. We started this date night off with a healthy smoothie because that's what we were feeling, but sometimes we go with wine. The smoothie is filled with berries, spinach, apples, a squeeze of lemon, some almond milk, and ice. It was delicious. The first thing I like to do is set the mood. I love diffusing lemongrass for a night like this because lemongrass is commonly used in spa environments and the scent just reminds me of a spa experience. Have to light a candle to set the mood as well, of course. This is currently our favorite tea. It's Good Earth's sweet and spicy tea, and it's so delicious. If you love cinnamon and a bit of spice, you will love it. I purchased some hot stones on Amazon about a year ago because we love doing at-home massages and I thought it was a great step up. I love getting hot stones whenever I'm getting a massage and I thought, why not own them for a fraction of the cost? I warm them up by putting them in a pan, setting the heat to low and adding a bit of water to keep them hydrated, and the water helps to warm them. Big plush robes are a major plus. I highly recommend them for a night like this. This is a massage oil that I created myself. It's a lavender and vanilla oil. If you want to know how to make this, you can check out my blog. I'll put a link to the post in the description of this video. I like to do a regular massage first, and then towards the middle to the end, I bring in the hot stones. I always make sure to feel the hot stones with my hands to make sure the heat is right before I put them on Alex's back, and he does the same for me. The last thing you want to do is burn someone because that will definitely take your relaxing date night in a different direction. And I just lay the stones down Alex's back in 2 lines on both sides of his spine. Once they've laid there for a bit, I use them to massage his back. I'll link the hot stones in the description box for you guys if you're interested.
Oh my god. It's like butter, baby. It's like a hot knife, like slicing through butter.
Now it's time to get into some masks. I wear face masks on the regular, and I have convinced Alex to join me, and he's now a believer. We are using Fresh's Umbrian Purifying Clay Mask. This was my first time ever using this one and I loved it. It was clearing but gentle and didn't dry us out.
One of the problems when you have a beard is that you only get half a facial. Only get half.
That's what happens when you have a beard. I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna put this on you now. This is the Fresh Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. I'm gonna put on Alex's lips. Don't eat it, actually.
What?
I always want to eat it.
I just accidentally ate it.
It kind of does taste good, though. It's getting in your beard. Some for me, too. Excellent work.
Wait. Bring it closer. Bring it closer, maybe, for the other side real quick. Like right up on that side. Closer. Straight on, like a war paint.
Okay.
There you go. Done.
Don't act like you've never put a mud mask on me. We all saw you in Italy.
That's
in
true.
the hot spring.
That's the natural. This one doesn't smell as bad. I just discovered that this is Tuscany's neighbors.
Umbria. When we were in Tuscany, we went to a hot spring there and we put the mud clay on our face.
And this is I saw it says Umbrian clay mask, so it's pretty much like Italian mud on your face. Hashtag not sponsored.
Hashtag don't get in my eyeball. Look how close you are to my eyeball.
Stop talking. This is some real couples bonding stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I love how, like,
Thorough?
thorough you're being.
Oh yeah, I'm not fucking around.
Do it right, baby.
Hold on, don't touch it. Okay. Damn, girl. Muddied up. Well, Carrie, I would like to thank you for turning my living room into a super relaxing spa. I didn't think that I would have a mud mask on, be in a robe and sweatpants, and thoroughly relaxed and massaged at 3 p.m. on a Monday afternoon. So thank you for that.
Thank you guys for watching. I will see you very soon in the next one. Share your DIY at-home spa tips below. We are going to eat some Indian food, I'm sure, tonight. We'll order it in. We're gonna watch Lost in Space because we are obsessed with that series right now. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. As always, make sure that you are subscribed and you have notifications turned on so that you never miss a new video from me. And I will see you guys super soon in a new one. I hope that you guys do this at home with your partner. Chill, relax, enjoy it, bond, and do all of the good stuff. I love you guys to the moon and back again, and I will see you super soon in a new video.